Good morning, students. Now we study about the topic web propagation and broadband communication engineering. First, we shall discuss about its introduction parts. So, first we know what is the meaning of web propagates, in which the waves of wave travel, that is known as wave propagation. Okay. In wave propagation, it is divided into three parts. That is, in which wave travels. First one is in which three types of medium. First one is space wave. First one is space wave propagation. After that, second one is sky wave propagation. And the last one is space wave propagation. Okay. It is also whether it is medium or types of propagation. Okay. Types of propagation. There are three types of wave propagation. First one is space wave propagation, second one is sky wave propagation, and third one is space wave propagation. First we discuss about the first one, that is space wave propagation. Okay. First one is space wave propagation. Space wave propagation. In space wave propagation, main thing is that one transmitter and one receiver is present. Okay, and it varies the range from 3 kilohertz to 3 megahertz. Okay, there is one transmitter and one receiver part, and the ranges is varies from 3 kilohertz to 3 megahertz. Okay, in which it is the frequency range, it is the range of frequency where in between this frequency the wave travels. Okay, after that we discuss about the second one, that is sky wave propagation. Sky wave propagation. In sky wave propagation, first way we should understand that is the ground wave. Okay, that is the ground wave. After ground wave, there is layer, that is atmospheric layer. After that, there is a ionosphere is present. Okay, ionosphere, this is atmosphere. The range between the ground wave and the atmosphere is 15 kilometers. Okay, Why? 15 kilometers. But the range between ground wave and the ionosphere, the range is 400 kilometers. The range is 400 kilometers. Okay. If the wave travels from this, this area to this area, that is known as atmospheric wave. Atmospheric. If the wave travels from ground wave to ionosphere, that is the ionospheric wave. Ionospheric. Okay. If the wave travels from ground wave to atmosphere and the distance is 15 kilometers, in which way the animal and human and tree which should lie, that is known as atmosphere. After that, one layer is present, that is ionosphere, in which we are present, that is known as atmospheric, and another one is ionosphere. If the wave travels from ground wave to atmosphere, that is known as atmospheric layer. If the wave travels from ground wave to atmosphere, that is ionosphere, that is ionospheric layer. If above that wave travels, that is space wave, in which the wave cannot reflect. Okay, but here in the atmospheric layer, the wave can reflect. From ground wave, it first goes to ground wave to atmospheric layer. In atmospheric layer, the wave reflects and goes to backward direction. Okay, but in ionospheric layer, the wave travels from ground wave to first. The wave travels from ground wave to ionospheric layer, and in ionospheric layer, the wave reflects towards the back. That is known as ionospheric layer. And the last one we discuss about, that is space wave propagation. In space wave propagation, if the wave travels from ground wave to travels and goes to the higher point, that is more than the atmospheric layer and ionospheric layer, and in the top here, suppose here is a satellite, it go to the satellite and reflects back to the ground. Okay, it go to the satellite and reflects towards the ground. That is known as space wave propagation. Okay, and that is known as space wave propagation. In space wave propagation, the wave reflects after hitting the satellite. After hitting the satellite, it goes to the backward direction, in which we know that is known as space wave propagation. But the ranges of frequency are always different. We should write them. First, we should write the ranges of frequencies that is, first we write the in space wave propagation after the sky wave propagation and the last one is ground wave. Ground wave propagation. In ground wave propagation, the frequency range is 3 kilohertz to 3 megahertz, and in skywave propagation is 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz, and in space wave propagation the frequency is always greater than 30 megahertz. Okay, is always greater than 30 megahertz. There are three types of propagation, that is ground wave, space wave, and sky wave. In ground wave, the frequency range is always greater than 3 kilohertz, always in between 3 kilohertz to 3 megahertz. In sky wave propagation, that is 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz. But in space, it is always greater than 30 megahertz. But there are three types of wave, that is there are three types of wave are present, that is first one is longitudinal wave, second one is transverse wave, and third one is electromagnetic wave, that is EM wave. Okay, that is electromagnetic wave. But we discussed all about the 3 points in the next class. Okay, so it is all for today.